Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today, we are in my backyard again, next to our garden, behind my Hemingway bar, because our kitchen is still being remodeled. So we're going to make another easy one, a rum and cola. To make it, I'm going to start by adding ice to my glass, and you can use any type of glass that you want. Then I'm going to add my rum. Bacardi rum is very traditional for a rum and cola. Where's my, oh, there it is. I'm using Plantation 3-Star. Use the rum that you like. I'm going to put in 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters. Actually, I'm going to put in 3 ounces because this is a big glass. The proportions I'm shooting for are 2-to-1 cola to rum. So 3 ounces seems right for this. Next, I'm going to top it with a cola of my choice. And I am using Coca-Cola, being very traditional there. I'm using Mexican Coca-Cola because it has sugar instead of high fructose corn syrup, and I'm just going to top it off. Stay there. For garnish, I'm going to use a little bit of lime. Now, this does cross over into Cuba Libre territory because I'm adding a little bit of lime, but I'm not going to squeeze the juice in. I'm just going to use a lime wheel to create a little bit of garnish. A lime wedge would also work fine too. Add a straw. And there you have it, a rum and cola. Drink with good spirits.